Sacred geometry is the belief that certain geometric shapes, proportions, and patterns hold special significance and possess inherent sacred or spiritual qualities. From the structures of snowflakes to the spiral arms of galaxies, sacred geometry proposes that these aren't random occurrences, but rather expressions of universal principles. The roots of sacred geometry stretch back to the dawn of human civilization. Ancient Egyptians were among the first to recognize these patterns, incorporating them into their most sacred structures. The Great Pyramid of Giza demonstrates precise mathematical relationships. Its base perimeter divided by its height equals pi, and its proportions reflect the golden ratio. These weren't accidental achievements, but deliberate applications of geometric principles the Egyptians considered divine. Ancient Greece elevated sacred geometry to new heights through philosophers like Pythagoras and Plato. Pythagoras, living in the 6th century, believed that numbers were the language of the universe. His famous theorem wasn't just mathematical but spiritual, representing the harmony underlying all existence. Plato took this further, describing three-dimensional forms now known as Platonic solids. Meanwhile, in ancient India, sacred geometry flourished through mandala creation and temple architecture. Hindu and Buddhist traditions used geometric patterns as tools for meditation and spiritual transformation. These weren't mere decorations, but sophisticated spiritual technologies designed to facilitate higher consciousness. The golden ratio, approximately 1.618, stands as perhaps the most famous element of sacred geometry. This proportion appears throughout nature with stunning consistency. You'll find it in flower petals, pinecone spirals, seashells, and even human facial features. Renaissance artists like Leonardo da Vinci deliberately incorporated the golden ratio into masterpieces like the Mona Lisa, believing it captured divine perfection. The Fibonacci sequence, where each number equals the sum of the two preceding numbers, creates spirals that appear everywhere in nature. From sunflower seed arrangements to galaxy formations, this mathematical pattern suggests an underlying order to seemingly chaotic natural processes. Many cultures interpreted this as evidence of divine intelligence orchestrating creation. Christian sacred geometry manifested in Gothic cathedral architecture. Builders incorporated precise geometric relationships into every element. These structures weren't just places of worship, but stone embodiments of sacred mathematical principles. Chinese culture contributed the concept of feng shui, applying geometric principles to harmonize human environments with natural forces. Various geometric arrangements were believed to channel beneficial energy and create balance between earthly and cosmic forces. Modern science has revealed that sacred geometric patterns aren't merely human projections, but fundamental aspects of reality. Crystal structures, molecular arrangements, and even DNA's double helix follow geometric principles that ancient cultures considered sacred. This convergence of ancient wisdom and modern discovery suggests that sacred geometry might represent genuine insights into nature's organizing principles. Sacred geometry reminds us that beneath the apparent chaos of existence lies an intricate web of mathematical relationships, connecting the smallest particles to the largest cosmic structures in one grand, geometric symphony.